Hey everyone! Welcome back to Gadget Guru. Today, we have something really exciting to unbox, a budget-friendly dashcam I got from Daras. Is this the best affordable dashcam out there? Let's find out! Alright, let's see what we've got inside the box. We have a car charger, a mounting bracket, a user manual, The build quality feels decent for the price. We have control buttons on the side for easy navigation. There's also a slot for a memory card and a charging port. This camera offers multiple features such as full HD recording, front and rear camera, loop recording, night vision mode, motion detection. If you want to buy this camera, I will put the link in the description. That's it for today's video. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome tech content. Let me know in the comments, would you buy this dashcam? See you in the next one.